Yes! Have a nice day guys. Andito tayo sa spot. Ayan, sa Alsura. Ayan. Pero ang baba ng tubig. Baba ng tubig eh. So ano muna tayo ngayon. Mag-torpedo muna tayo. Ayan. So gamitin natin itong torpedo na nakahuli ng malaking talakitok ng last Sunday. Ayan siya. Liit lang niya pero mabisa. Yung leader line natin ay ano lang ito, 15 LB lang to. 10 LB lang pala, 10 LB lang to. Ang batbato natin ay dos. Ayan. Ganda ng ano, ganda ng dagat oh. Hair clip tayo, gamit tayo ng torpedos. Ayan, ganun pa rin setup natin. Gamit natin na Stradic 5000 natin. Ayan, ginamit na natin itong pang ano, para Arriba. First cast tayo. Tayo. Ano pa yung meron? Tingnan natin. Nagawang bato tayo. Natin kung may talakitok dito guys. Amang lang. Ayan. Strike tayo. Sana all. Strike tayo. Ayan. Strike tayo. Hindi na lang uli natin. Share the blazing. Lakas yun. Ayan, pawala pa. Loss.
Ano lagi?
Coming again. Coming again. Strike again. Munggol again. Lapis. Pamigay natin sa kawang gawa ito. Out. Tumalon. Yeah. Also my friends, for you. Take that one. I catch fish only for you, huh? Today.
This is the
Queen fish. This one?
no, that's
This clip.
clip
Clip. This made to order. Filipino is coming. If I remember, one Filipino is there. Also is available Almadina Marin.
Almadina Marin.
This Ajman.
How much this clip cost?
This clip. Hair clip.
This hair clip,
No, not hair. This name of the third one is hair clip. Iniisip niya yung pang ipit sa buhok. Ano ba yan? Okay. Okay.
How much is the different one?
Ayaw. Lapis. Ano naman yata? Lapis niya. Tumalon. Salamat naman. Kawala. Wala. Paglapis. Paglapis. Ito ito lakitok. Ito ulit tayo guys. Nakita lang eh. Ayun. Nalapis na naman to. Sana hindi. Sana hindi nalapis. Hindi malakas. Ito. Oh, yan pa rin. Ay, tay. Tang.
Just now a small one.
Ah, okay. Your hook is very big.
Hmm?
Your hook is big, more than big. You use a small hook. This very big.
Yeah.
This for a big fish on boat.
The deep sea, huh?
Oh, small fish not coming. That hook is very big.
Very good.
Place na yun, pag-share tayo ng blessing guys. Ibigay natin sa kanya, malaking bagay yan sa kanila. Where you stay there?
I stay in Ajman.
Ajman, ha?
Yeah, behind the Irani Bank.
Okay. Ang talaki ito. Ayun, bad word. Lapis. Wee, foul hook. My friend, you want this one? Come.
Huh?
Take that one, huh? Also that one. Remove the hook. Sinamigay na lang natin guys. Itik. This queen fish. Queen fish, but it's very nice fish, good.
യൂസ് പാടിങ്ങളാ ചിക്കൻ അടിക്കണം വൈറ്റ് അല്ല
Okay. Ishara, if I catch again, I give it to you, ha? Imigay na lang natin ito sa Bengali guys, kasi marami pa malaking isda. Nakitok na to. Nakito ka na. Nakito ka na. Ko, parang tumalon. Ito na naman to. Ko. Yan naman. My friend, come.
You are aiming for big
Share the
one?
blessing is for you.
Yeah, you are aiming for big one, huh?
I dreaming for big one.
Barkuda?
Inshallah. No. GT.
Yeah?
GT Talakitok. I have more peace in my house, so that's why I share the blessing, no?
Where you get this t-shirt?
Huh?
T-shirt.
This for my team. This my team.
Team, huh?
My team. I am member of Dubai Peace Hunter. Oh.
How much is this shirt?
No need to pay for if you want to member. No need to pay, no.
How much is the membership?
No need.
No need?
No, free.
Okay, then we will join for you.
Pero inshallah, oh.